Well, the US short seller Hindenburg Research has come out with allegedly new whistleblower documents. This time, it has alleged that the market regulator, SEBI chairperson Madhabi Puri Buch and her husband Dhaval Buch had investments in obscure offshore funds linked to the Adani entities. Hindenburg Research claims, and I quote, the current SEBI chairperson and her husband Dhaval Buch had hidden stakes in some obscure offshore Bermuda and Mauritius funds found in the same complex nested structure used by Vinod Adani. The SEBI chief, Madhabi Puri Buch, and her husband have now denied the allegations made by Hindenburg Research, calling them absolutely baseless. In fact, they also stated that their life and finances are an open book and that they have already furnished all the disclosure required to SEBI over the years. They also mentioned that Hindenburg Research has chosen to attempt character assassination in response to SEBI's enforcement action and a show-cause notice issued to it. Meanwhile, the Adani Group has also denounced the latest allegations from Hindenburg Research, terming them as malicious, mischievous and manipulative. In a statement issued to stock exchanges, the Adani Group has rebuffed the latest claims made by the US-based short seller, saying that its overseas holding structure is fully transparent. That's a statement that has come in from the Adani Group. Let's go across to my colleague Sagarika, who's joining us on the broadcast with the details. First response that has come in from the Adani Group. Sagarika.
Taking you through the statement that has now come from the Adani Group over the latest Hindenburg report. The Adani Group calls it a red herring. The latest allegations by Hindenburg are malicious, mischievous and manipulative selections of publicly available information to arrive at predetermined conclusions for personal profiteering with wanton disregard for facts and the law. The Adani Group goes on to say that we completely reject these allegations against the Adani Group, which are a recycling of discredited claims that have been thoroughly investigated, proven to be baseless and already dismissed by the Honorable Supreme Court in January 2024. Then they go on to say that it is reiterated that our overseas holding structure is fully transparent with all relevant details disclosed regularly in numerous public documents. Furthermore, Anil Ahuja was a nominee director of 3i Investment Fund in Adani Power between 2007-2008 and later a director of Adani Enterprises until 2017. Then the Adani Group says that there is absolutely no commercial relationship with the individuals or matters mentioned in this calculated, deliberate effort to malign our standing. We remain steadfastly committed to transparency and compliance with all legal and regulatory requirements. For a discredited short seller under the scanner for several violations of Indian securities laws, Hindenburg's allegations are no more than red herrings thrown by a desperate entity with total contempt for Indian laws. So they're calling this red herrings, the latest allegations that the Hindenburg report makes against the SEBI chief, which the SEBI chief and her husband have also rejected. And now the Adani Group has called these allegations malicious, mischievous and manipulative.
Okay, so that's a response coming in from the Adani Group, but there's also politics that's playing out around it. In fact, the BJP has drawn the parliament session link, alleging foreign reports overlap with the parliament. The BJP has claimed that the opposition is using links for anarchy and that the opposition wants economic chaos.
भारत की जांच एजेंसियों में से जांच का सामना कर रही एक कंपनी हिंडनबर्ग के द्वारा 7 समुंदर पार से एक सुर उठाया जाता है और सारा विपक्ष उसमें ताल मिलाने लगता है, और उससे भी अधिक गंभीर बात यह है कि वो संसद सत्र के साथ उसका संबंध जोड़ देते हैं। मैं पूछना चाहता हूं विपक्ष से कि इसका अर्थ यह हुआ कि आप ये याद करिए, बीबीसी की डॉक्यूमेंट्री संसद सत्र शुरू होने से ठीक पहले आई थी। जनवरी में हिंडनबर्ग की रिपोर्ट बजट सत्र शुरू होने से ठीक पहले आई थी। सारे सीक्वेंस जाके देख लीजिएगा, संसद सत्र के दौरान ही आते हैं। और आज बरबस विपक्ष ने जब संसद सत्र का विषय उठाया तो यह और साफ हो गया कि इसका मतलब यह संदेह बहुत गहरा हो जाता है कि सीमा पार से विपक्ष के कुछ ऐसे तार जुड़े हुए हैं कि भारत के हर संसद सत्र के दौरान एक अव्यवस्था का वातावरण उत्पन्न किया जाए।
So the BJP says that the opposition wants economic chaos in the country and has linked its latest report to that. But the Adani Group has also rejected the allegations that have been made by the Hindenburg Research, saying that these are malicious, mischievous and manipulative reports. In fact, a statement has been issued to the stock exchanges, and the Adani Group has rebuffed the latest claims that have been made by the US-based short seller.
A set of innuendos and guesswork that are being tied to it. And there seems to be a pattern where the Congress, which has over the last 10 years adopted a strategy of politics of lies, is now seeking foreign help to discredit, destabilize our financial system, financial markets, and to create chaos in the country.